it's TheCoolTeacher back again, back with another video. Yes, this is a transversal on screen. So yes, that means more geometry talk. But I just want you to look at this real quick. A transversal can take different forms. Okay, basically all I did was just turn a transversal horizontal and made it vertical. So no, this is not an H that's like messed up. It's a transversal. All right, so just to go ahead and kind of get that out of the way. What I'm going to talk about today are vertical angles. All right, vertical angles are angles that basically touch at the nose, which makes them congruent or makes them the same. You're probably like, touch at the nose, what does that mean? Yeah, touch at the nose. All right, so vertical angles, for one, they're the angles like here and here, all the angles, right? It's still a transversal, so I still have my angle groups. So vertical angles are angles that touch at the nose or face each other, and that makes them congruent or equal. All right, so let's see here. Let's go ahead and get an angle up using the same degree measurements we were using before. Let's say this is 115 degrees, right? Now, this angle basically is like this, right? So it has to be another angle that faces it, okay? Basically, when those angles face, they should be touching at the nose. This is the other angle that's going to touch at the nose. Ooh, that's yikes. Let me go ahead and redraw that. This is the other angle that touches at the nose. Okay? You see, it's almost like they're facing each other, right? That is what vertical angles are. The angles that kind of face each other or touch at the nose. All right? So let me go ahead and get rid of these so you can see that this and this are congruent, or they're both 115 degrees. You can kind of make an assumption of the other vertical angles that'll be here, because that means this will be 65 degrees. Once again, this angle is like this. So what touches at the nose? This angle right here. So that means this is also 65 degrees. But we have a whole different group of angles down here, so let's go ahead and get those notated. Once again, let's see if this is 115 degrees. Which one touches at the nose? It'll be the one right in front of it. This will also be 115 degrees. Very, very simple when you kind of see it broken down like that. I don't know if like you see it broken down, but I'm trying to break it down so you can understand it. Once again, these two angles right here, they face each other, or they're touching at the nose. So this would be 65. This will also be 65 degrees, and those are your vertical angles. Okay. Now, if you saw my corresponding angle video, you can see that this is all the same measurements, and they do have the same relationships. Okay, they all have the same relationships. It's just turned to the side. That's all that I did. I just turned it. I turned it vertically. But yeah, that's it. That's what vertical angles are. Angles that face each other or touch at the nose, and those angles will always be congruent. All right. If you have any questions, go ahead and write me down below, or if you just want to drop a comment about how this helped you, you can do that too. Subscribe, share with others that are having trouble, and other than that, I'm gonna get back on my 2K, or should I play Dauntless? It don't matter. Yeah, I'll play Dauntless. All right, other than that, it's TheCoolTeacher, and I'm out.